Tayo po ay nasa paghintay para po sa gaganaping awarding ceremony para sa ikalawang gold po ng ating kababayang si Carlos Yulo. At ngayon po ay pangalawang gold na niya ito. Grabe po. Muli na naman po natin mapapakinggan ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas sa 2024 Paris. Tingnan po natin ang awarding ceremony.
Hindi siya, Asia siya.
Asia pa. So, Kaloy was not the only Asian in the competition.
Nakita po natin ang pagpasok nila Kaloy at ng dalawa pang tatanggap ng medalya.
Getting to be a common sight now. Carlos Yulo winning gold medal. The Olympics.
Salamat po sa Panginoon. Dalawang gold na po yan para kay Carlos Yulo. At susundan pa po yan ng ilang medalya pagpasok po ng ating mga boxer. Tingnan po natin.
A very young Harry Hepworth, 20 years old, as we mentioned earlier, diagnosed at a very young age, just before 6 years old, to have an illness that affected his blood flow. They said he would not.
Yan po ang tumanggap ng bronze. Taga Great Britain po.
In the Olympics.
At ang tatanggap po ng silver
Competition was tight until the
ay
That's why Yulo was not out of it until the very
isa
end.
pong nakalaban din ni Yulo. Mga nakaraang pong mga laban nila.
Kaloy also guards the end.
The last competitor was actually the strongest competitor of Kaloy. It's just sad for for Jake.
Congratulations po sa Great Britain na nakuha ng gold. At ito pa tatanggap ng silver.
In podiums, just shuffling between the three levels.
Tokyo Vault bronze, world champion in the vault in 2022 as well. Also won the pommel horse in 2021.
Congratulations po
Championships. So
ang
in the long run, it's
tumanggap ng silver.
parallel bars that Carlos has to work on for the
Pero ito na po ang ating kababayang Pilipino
For the all-around.
for the Olympics.
na nakakuha na po ng kanyang ikalawang gold dito po sa pole vault. And we are so thankful. Talagang ayan po si ARM.
Arthur Datian from Armenia. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our kababayan.
Gold medalist and Olympic champion, Carlos Yulo.
Congratulations po sa ating kababayan na si Carlos Yulo sa ikalawang gold medal po niya.
Twice over.
Yes!
Carlos Adriel Yulo winning the floor exercise yesterday and the vault today.
Grabe po, napakagandang pagkakataon. Isang araw po sa floor exercise, ngayon naman po ay sa vault. Congratulations, Carlos Yulo!
And in just a short while, ladies and gentlemen, the
Mamaya po, pakinggan natin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.